I want to talk to you about some changes in our business valuation business. And I want to use that talk to reveal some trends that will help you think about how you might be able to use valuation services in growing the value of your business. In terms of our business valuation practice, we have been and continue to be very focused on business events. So typically, when a business client like yourselves contacts us for a valuation, it's usually because you want to exit and you want to know what the market's prepared to pay for your business at a point in time. You might be restructuring your business with your accountant or solicitor, changing the legal structures and need a valuation for statutory purposes. You might be increasing your funding to grow and have gone to the bank and the bank said, look, we'd like a business valuation to support the proposal to lend to you. Or there might be other aspects like an estate with probate where you need a valuation before distribution of business assets, or swapping in or out key shareholders and a valuation for those transactions, or relationship breakdown issues. We still do a lot of work in this space and we will do ongoing. But there's an interesting development in our business which I want to share with you because I think it's something to think about as a business owner in terms of how you might use these tools to help you grow your business value. Increasingly, business clients are coming to us and they're saying, look, we want to grow and change. Our outlook is 1, 2, 3, 5, 10 years. And we want to know, can we use a business valuation to help us grow the value of our business in that time? And you know, for me, I'd have to say that's a very mature way of looking at your business as an investment. It's really saying, look, we've invested some capital over a number of years, we're getting a return. But what's this business worth in the market today? Because unless you know what that business is worth in the market today, you actually don't know what return you're getting for your capital invested. And so these business owners are saying, well, give us a base value, act as if you're a purchaser, come in, value the business, tell us warts and all what you think it's worth. And we're doing that, but we're also going beyond that. We're saying, well, look, if I were a purchaser coming in to value your business today with the intention of buying it, this is what I'd pay, and this is why. But as importantly, we're also saying, well, look, these are the levers that are detracting from that value, and these are the levers that are accretive to that value, that are adding value. And so if you're looking at the forward outlook, there are things you could do or consider doing to increasing the value of your business and making it more saleable in the market. Now, that doesn't mean that this investor, this business owner, wants to sell in the future. But most business owners who are investors in their own business would love the opportunity to sell or the option to sell at optimum value. And then they can decide whether they want to keep the return flowing by having underlying ownership ongoing or in fact exiting at some point. So typically we'll look at a range of strategies, whether it be access to new markets, changing the customer base to be less reliant on perhaps customers that are concentrated, improving inventory management, broadening the capability of the team, perhaps adding additional scale benefits through systems, digital technologies and the like. So all factors that help grow and change the value of the business. So our practice in terms of valuations are now event-based, but also regular growth and change strategies based on a base value and a potential future value. As a business owner, if you're interested in this content and how to grow and change and improve the value of your business through a business valuation, subscribe to our channel. And look, leave a comment if there are other relevant topics that you're interested in terms of running and improving your business. Have a great day.